Okay, it's time to get serious today. We're gonna do chromatography, and you're like, whoa, what is that? But it's like so cool, and I cannot wait for you guys to get your results.
If you want to see the individual parts of a mixture, chromatography is one of the easiest ways to do that.
So today we are going to be looking at different hard candies,
Food coloring,
and markers.
in chromatography, there's a solvent, which is a fluid that moves up the paper and separates the mixture into its individual parts.
The things separate based on size or charge.
In this lab, we have 3 different solvents. We have rubbing alcohol, we have salt water, which is 1/8 teaspoon of salt to 3 cups of water, and just regular spring water. You could pre-order chromatography paper,
Or you could just use coffee filters and then cut it in strips that are just a little bit higher than the glass.
So on your chromatography paper strips or your coffee filters, you're going to draw a line 1 centimeter above from the bottom. What I like to do is draw a dot 1 centimeter above this side. Okay, draw a dot 1 centimeter above this side, just right there. Okay, and then just connect the dots and make sure I have a straight line with the ruler, like that. So if you're using hard candy, you're going to want the shells to soak in water before you even start the chromatography paper. Okay, so I'm going to use a pipette to get water. You can use a dropper or a straw, anything that will really get water. So you're just going to get water, you're just going to squeeze it, and then you're going to put a drop, and then you're going to put more drops, and then you're just going to set your candy in those, and then wait for the dye to come out, and then you can go ahead and start out, and then need more water on the orange one.
So this is my first time ever using a pipette. So you squeeze this little thingy, you stick it in the water, you unsqueeze, sucks up the water. That's so cool. And then you gotta carefully Whoa! Oh, it's already starting to come off.
Place your dots on top of the lines in the same order on every strip. You'll probably need to do 3 or 4 times to get it dark enough. So we're using 3 different strips because we're doing 3 different solvents. Okay, that's good.
Is that good, Mom?
It's going to be interesting to see if some of the dyes separate differently in different solvents.
My hypothesis is that the rubbing alcohol is going to move it the fastest.
It's always good to wear eyewear when you're pouring fluids. So now that you have finished your papers, it's time to add the solvents to the 3 glasses. So you want to pour about like 1/2 centimeter in there, just enough to cover the bottom of the glass so it's not too much, and the water can go up the paper and then reach the dyes and push them more up the paper. Okay, so make sure to always label your experiments, and this is how much we've poured in each glass.
So grab your paper, whatever paper you guys chose to use, but make sure if you poured a little bit too much, just the tip of it is touching the water, and then grab a friend and have them help you with taping it to a pencil to just hold it in place. So alcohol didn't really do much, but I put in, first I did brown M&M, then blue M&M, then green food coloring, and then red marker. So the green food coloring is really cool because you can see the yellow and blue mixed into it to make it green. So you can take them out and let them dry for even better results.
Okay, so as you can see, salt water definitely separated the mixtures the best. You can almost see a little bit of red at the beginning of the blue, and then you can see a little bit of a light pink to the magenta at the top. And then the alcohol, you can see all the colors, and it didn't do very much.
So, how'd it go, H-Team? Guess what? Sometimes experiments don't work in science, and that is okay. We just redo it. But regardless, I would love if you would share your results to any of our HTH platforms, and then I'm going to give you some feedback. Can't wait to see what you did. Bye!
Hey everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!